Hello everyone, this is Wyatt with P-10 Tactical, and today we are conducting a field trip and reassembly of the CZ P-10C. To start, we're going to push the magazine release and remove the magazine from the firearm. Next, we will pull the slide to the rear and visually inspect the chamber to make sure that there are no live rounds in the gun. Now we're ready for disassembly. We're going to pull the trigger to the rear. Next, you're going to want to pull the slide back slightly with a grip coming underneath the frame of the gun, and we're going to pull the slide to the rear just a few millimeters. Next, we're going to pull down on the takedown levers on either side of the gun simultaneously and let the slide forward. This will allow the slide to come off the frame. With the slide, we'll put a little bit of forward pressure on the recoil spring assembly and pull up to remove the recoil spring. Next, we'll remove the barrel by pushing it forward and pulling it out of the bottom of the slide. That is the disassembly of the CZ P-10C. To reassemble the firearm, we're first going to take the barrel and reinsert it into the slide and push it to the rear until we hear it lock into place. Next, we're going to take the recoil spring and guide rod assembly, reinsert it into the slot underneath the barrel. We're going to push forward until it becomes seated in the little half moon slot right at the bottom of the barrel. With the slide reassembled, you want to align the slots in the rear of the slide with the rails on the frame. We're going to reattach the slide to the frame of the gun and pull it to the rear, and then you can let it forward again. Now we'll function test by checking the trigger. With the trigger kept to the rear, we want to rack the slide and check the trigger for reset. Reset's working fine. The last thing we will want to do is insert the magazine and check for last round hold open. This gun is functioning fine. This has been the field strip and reassembly of the CZ P-10C. For more information on guns like these, head on over to pptactical.com, your definitive source for gear, guides, gun reviews, and all things that go bang.